Adobe I/O is Adobe's developer portal, and it's the one-stop shop where developers can come to integrate and extend Adobe's cloud platform. Adobe I/O Runtime is our serverless solution that allows you to deploy your code and execute your code on top of our infrastructure. We've taken an API-first approach to development, which allows us to expose key features and functionality of Adobe and Adobe solutions to developers. Adobe I/O Runtime allows you to securely and easily access Adobe's APIs. It allows you to respond to events from across the cloud platform very easily, and it allows you to extend Adobe's cloud platform to create your own APIs through our API gateway. Serverless computing is a big deal across the industry, and one of the main reasons is it allows developers to focus on only the code they want to execute, so they don't have to worry about standing up entire infrastructures. They can just deploy the code and it will execute when they want it to, and they only have to pay and deal with that specific execution.
As a developer, I wouldn't care where my code is running. I don't want to waste my time running servers, making sure they're up and running, or they're monitored, or they're configured correctly. All I care is that I want a running code. I want my application to function and get the content and data that I need.
The benefits of working with serverless are that it scales, and so you can deploy your code and have the confidence that no matter how many times it is to run, or no matter how much traffic you're getting, that serverless will allow you to scale accordingly. We've built Runtime on top of OpenWhisk, which is an open source project on the Apache Foundation that's contributed by IBM, and it allows us to tap into a deep ecosystem of open source developers and to really scale development and accelerate development by being part of that bigger open source community.
The benefit that we get from open source is that there are a lot of developers that are contributing to it. As a DevOps or a developer, if I look at what other people are contributing, I can come up with different ideas to solve my own problems.
With Adobe I/O, developers have a single place they can come to find out everything they have to integrate with and extend Adobe's cloud platform. And with Serverless and Adobe I/O Runtime, they now have a way to deploy code on our infrastructure that will run next to content and data and really allow them to embrace the extensibility of Adobe's cloud platform.